Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the your device ran into a problem blue screen error. Start by forcing Windows to open the recovery environment. Turn on your computer, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, press and hold the power button until the PC turns off. Repeat this process 3 times. On the next startup, Windows should display the Preparing Automatic Repair screen. Wait for it to load, then select Advanced Options. From here, click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and choose Startup Repair. Windows will scan your system for startup problems and automatically try to repair damaged or missing system files. This process may take a few minutes, so let it finish without interrupting it. Once it's done, restart your computer and check if Windows starts normally. If Startup Repair doesn't solve the problem, go back to the Troubleshoot menu and select Reset this PC. Then choose Keep My Files. This option reinstalls Windows while keeping your personal files, such as documents, pictures, and videos. Keep in mind that installed apps and custom settings will be removed, so you'll need to reinstall your programs afterward. After the reset is complete, follow the setup instructions on the screen and let Windows finish installing. In many cases, this fixes serious system problems that cause repeated blue screen errors and automatic repair loops. Thanks for watching.